Yo, what the fuck's happening over there? You guys see that shit? The leaves. One of the sensor lights is bugging out. What the fuck? That's eerie as hell. That wasn't happening 2 seconds ago. Oh yeah, that's trustworthy. Ah! Wasn't looking where I was going. I got stabbed in the eye with a leaf. It's really kind of disturbing. Well, sorry if you have seizures. I may have just screwed you over there. So, this isn't the first time. Well, it's the first time it's done this shit. But this isn't the first time it's fucked with us. See, that one's perfectly fine. Over that big ass spider web. You can't see it. Let me cut that shit off. And you still can't see it. You see it? There's a big ass spider. His name is Fred. So I cut it back on. No strobe light. See, it always bugs out like this. And it doesn't cut on when it's supposed to. And considering the fact that I walked away to play in the field, and it just kind of started doing that, kind of scared the fuck out of me, so I started recording. Yeah, because it was both of the sides, so it can't just be one of the lights. Yeah, it scared the fuck out of me. So, I've been sick today, and I didn't go to school, but I stayed most of the day in the bed. Was that English? Most of the day I was on bed, or floor for me. I sleep on the floor, and it's really comfy. I've been doing it for a while. But yeah. And since I have to post on both channels frequently now, if you've made it this far in the vlog, props to you. We got a lot of rain. A lot of rain. That's pretty deep. Holy Jesus. I'll show you how deep that puddle is over there. Oh. That's not as deep as I thought. That's what she said. Or that's what he said. Alright, here's some evidence that YouTube Capture needs to fix their fucking shit. I zoned out. Anyway, the video got stopped because I did not have 50 megabytes free. When I checked my phone capacity, they were 2.2 gigabytes free. Explain that. Hey, my parents are home. Is that my parents? Yeah, that's my parents. Cool. I'm gonna tell them about the light shit. It's not doing it anymore. The rain's starting to pick up. Oh, they're going over there. That way? Alright. I'll head that way as well. Hello.